The process of obtaining information to use for various purposes such as analysis or prediction is called dash. A dash is a characteristic or attribute that can assume different values. Data that can be categorized based on traits and characteristics, but cannot be measured or ranked, is known as dash data. Dash data is numerical in nature and can be ordered or ranked. The dash source of data refers to the original source where data is first gathered, without any changes or processing. Data obtained from existing sources like books, journals, or online databases is known as dash data. The method of collecting data where the researcher directly interacts with the participants is called dash collection. A dash variable is one that naturally varies in the experiment without the experimenter's intervention. The outcome or response that is measured in an experiment is known as a dash variable. When data is collected from every member of the population, it is called a dash.